So let's do foot of the perpendicular theorem today. Okay, so the statement is if Q h comma k is foot of the perpendicular from P x1 comma y1 on the straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then show that h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So let's start the proof. So whenever foot of the perpendicular is given, you first draw this figure. We draw two perpendicular lines. Okay. So this is the perpendicular line and this is the foot of the perpendicular. Okay. Now suppose this is a x1 comma y1, or let's say it's p x1 comma y1. And this is QH comma K. And this line is AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. This is the line equation. So let us say P is X1 comma Y1 and Q is H comma K. So first let us find out slope of the line. Slope of the line AX plus by plus c is equal to 0 is. So whenever line is given, how to find out slope? Formula is minus a by b. Okay, so whenever line is given, its formula to find the slope is minus a by b. Now let us find slope of this line, the vertical line. Now we have found the slope for the horizontal line. Now let's find the slope for the vertical line, that is PQ. So what is the slope of the line PQ? Slope of the line PQ is, see here 2 points are given. Whenever 2 points are given, slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is k minus y1 by h minus x1. Now after finding slopes of both the lines, we will take the condition. Now since two lines are perpendicular, so whenever two lines are perpendicular, we have a condition. The condition is m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So let us say m1 is the slope of the first line, that is minus a by b, and m2 is the slope of the second line, that is k minus y1 by h minus x1 is equal to minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. Okay. Now what I will do is, I will take a by h minus x1 to the other side. So we will get h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b. Let us say that is equal to r. We are assuming it. Okay. Now if we equate these both to r, so if I equate h minus x1 by a is equal to r, and if I cross multiply, I will get h minus x1 is equal to ar. Then h is equal to x1 plus ar. We got h value from here. Now if I take k minus y1 by b is equal to r, cross multiply, k minus y1 is equal to br and k is equal to y1 plus br. We got both the values. Now you see, if you look at the figure, this point Q lies on the line, right? So Q, H comma K lies on the line. Which line? AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Which means in the place of X and Y, we put H and K. So AH plus BK plus C is equal to 0. Now from here, we got h and k values, no, which I put in the boxes. Now I will substitute. So a into x1 plus ar plus b into y1 plus br plus c is equal to 0. Open the brackets. This into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. So ax1 plus a square r plus by1 plus b square r plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now from a square, from these two terms, I take r common. So we get a square plus b square into r, and the remaining three terms I put in a separate bracket. ax1 plus by1 plus c. by1 plus c is equal to 0. So a square plus b square into r is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. So r is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now let's say this is equation number 1. Now substituting value of r in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by r by b. K minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Hence proof. But most of the times, whenever this theorem is given, a problem will also be given along with it. So I will solve that problem also. So let us take that problem. Find the foot of the perpendicular drawn from 4, 1 upon the straight line 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So first let us write the given line. Given line is 3x minus 4y plus 12 is 0. So from line equation we will get ABC values. A is 3, B is minus 4, C is 12. And given point is 4, 1. We will take this as x1, y1. Now let us write the formula first. What is foot of the perpendicular formula? H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now I will erase this part. Now just you see how I am substituting. So h minus x1 is 4 by 3 is equal to k minus y1 is 1 by b is minus 4 is equal to minus into ax1. A is 3, x1 is 4 plus b is minus 4, y1 is 1 plus c by a square plus b square 9 plus 16. So you get h minus 4 by 3 is equal to k minus 1 by minus 4 is equal to minus of 12 minus 4 plus 12 by 25. 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 minus 4 is 20. So you get h minus 4 by 3 is equal to k minus 1 by minus 4 is equal to minus 20 by 25. 5 fours are 5 fives are. Okay. Now, h minus 4 by 3 is equal to k minus 1 by minus 4 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Now we will equate first and last, second and last. Now how do you get? So h minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Now I take by 3 that side, h minus 4 is equal to minus 12 by 5. Now take minus 4 this side, so h is equal to 4 minus 12 by 5. Now you take LCM, so 20 minus 12 by 5, that is 8 by 5. Okay. Now the same way, k minus 1 by minus 4 is minus 4 by 5. Take minus 4 that side, minus into minus becomes plus. K minus 1 is equal to 16 by 5. So k is 1 plus 16 by 5. Take LCM, 5 plus 16 by 5, that is 21 by 5. Therefore, foot of the perpendicular is Q, h comma k is equal to 8 by 5 comma 21 by 5.